Hello everybody, I'm KGM.
And I'm Liz.
Today we got a little interesting package in the mail from Ipsy. This is our little new glam bag. Oh, and we got these new dresses. I got mine from Ross.
Mine's from Target.
Rewrite the rules. Wear too much makeup. Make the first move. Get a mismatched mani. This month, march to your own beauty beat with botanical skincare. Must have makeup. And nature-inspired palette from women-owned and founded brands who inspire us to rewrite the rules every day. All right, let's see what's in the palette today. The bag. This. People's Beauty Frontliner Mask and Scrub. Soothe and exfoliate with tri-molecular hyaluronic acid, triple plant moisture complex. I don't know the last word. And she's yellow and blue, my favorite colors. All right, next we have Pinky Bee Beauty Dat Gel Eyeliner. So, that gel eyeliner though, style. Ooh, Benefit Precisely My Brow Wax. I'm so excited for this. I want to see the packaging. Oh, she's so tiny and she's so perfect. She's in the color 2, which I think is going to be a great match. All right, next, Goldfaden MD Plant Profusion Night Cream. Beautiful brush. She feels so soft. All right, Lynn, out of all these products, what are you most excited to try?
The brush.
I think I'm most excited to try either this eyeliner or this brow wax. All right, bye everybody.
Bye.